right, we're gonna do our last set of warm-up exercises. So these are gonna be on the floor, so grab a gym mat, yoga mat. Again, we're gonna incorporate those same principles as we did before with keeping the belly button pulled in, right? The movement is always gonna go through our heel, and we're gonna do some more full body exercises just to get the upper body, lower body circulation going, get you warmed up. So the first one we're gonna do is alternating arm and leg extensions. So we're gonna come on all fours, and we really wanna keep our belly button pulled in, so we have this nice straight line through our head, out through our tailbone. We don't want the back arched, and we don't want it curved. We want a nice straight line, so we wanna keep the belly button pulled in towards the spine. And you're gonna alternate extending your right arm out and the left leg back. So what's important here is that when we extend the leg, we really wanna make sure that the knee is straight and we're flexing the foot, so we're leading out through our heel. So we don't want our toe pointed, we don't want our knee bent, we want a nice straight leg, straight knee. And as you extend your arm and your leg, you really want to focus on keeping your hips parallel, so we're not cocking our hip back as we extend the leg back. So it's going to look like a nice straight extension. And again, I'm not sure if you can see my foot here, but it's flexed. I'm doing my best to get everything in the frame. And then we're going to extend the left arm and the right leg. So knee is straight, heel leading out through the heel, foot is flexed. And again, still shoulders are dropped away from the ears, our chest is open. And I like just talking a little bit about, mindfulness, breathing. I like to have an exhale on the way out. So on the extension is an inhale, and then dropping back to center, we breathe out. So it just sort of helps you remember to pull that belly button in so it expels your breath. And just really being mindful of going nice and slow. So in this extension, we have that nice straight line, belly button is pulled in, we're leading out through the heel, squeezing that glute, and you're just gonna alternate. Right to left. So you wanna go nice and slow with these and try to hold that extension for a couple breaths, but follow that pattern of when you come back to center, exhaling and just, being really aware to go slow, keep everything in alignment, and really just get your mind focused on this proper body mechanics. So for the last one, and these are just all, I really like just keeping things really simple, but very comprehensive and very effective, because these sort of hit all those different areas that we're wanting to warm up or want to start engaging, right? The core, the glutes, opening the chest, the shoulders, just paying attention to our breath. So these floor exercises sort of pull everything together. So for our last one, we're going to do some triceps push-ups. So we're gonna lay on the floor on our belly, and we're gonna put, I really hope that I'm capturing all this in the frame. It's hard to know what's going on. We're gonna put our hands to the side of our chest, and our legs are gonna be extended back behind us. So our legs are gonna be relaxed here. We're gonna pull our belly button in towards our spine. So our core is being supported as we move up and down through these push-ups. It's helping support the weight of our torso. So we're gonna keep our elbows in by our sides. We don't want our elbows going out. We want our elbows going in, because it's gonna target more the tricep, kind of protect the shoulders. So we're gonna start and push up, and we're gonna breathe in on the way up, So this is almost like an upward dog in yoga. And when we get to the top, we have this nice curve on the front of our body, and our belly button is still, right, engaged, just gently pulling in towards our spine. You can extend your neck, drop your head, just take a few breaths here. And we're opening also the hip flexors here. So we're getting that all stretched out. And then we're gonna drop down really nice and slowly. We're gonna keep our elbows in by our sides. And you'll definitely feel it in your triceps. So we really wanna make sure as we do these that our arms are parallel and we don't have our elbows going out. We want nice straight arms, so pushing up, holding that, opening the front of the body, dropping your neck, your head, breathing, right? Pull that belly button in, and then lowering yourself to the mat. So this feels really, really nice on your back. And again, you're really targeting those lower abdominals as being supportive through that movement. So you can, if you want, you can do all of those before you warm up. If you prefer sort of like how you were splitting, right, upper, lower body, to do the standing, the lunges and the squats when you do lower body, and then the floor exercises when you do upper body, you can do them all. They're great to do at home. They're super easy. You don't need any equipment, but they really help develop the muscle memory of just teaching your body how to move correctly, right? How to recruit the core and the glutes to support you in keeping those proper body mechanics to prevent injury, and just to keep you very mindful of how you're moving, right? We want to move at a nice slow pace so that we stay focused on making sure we're not hurting ourselves. The faster we go, the easier it is for things to sort of get out of alignment. So I really like to slow things down. It does help you be a little bit more present, pay attention, notice the feedback from your body. So just keep breathing, right? Go at a nice slow pace and make sure to keep that core engaged and always have that movement or your weight go out through the heel so that we target the glutes. So